Uh-oh, you hear that? Well, if your issue sounds anything like mine, I'm going to show you how to swap it out. Stay right there and we'll go through it.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Alright, let's grab our tools. I recommend using a T5 Torx, a Phillips #1, and it doesn't hurt to have a plastic scribe as well. Step number 1, unscrew the bottom base and then gently pry it apart. This is where having the plastic scribe really comes in handy. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Then separate the clips and slide out the memory. Now unscrew and remove your solid-state drive. If you have two, the process is the same for both. Now you can unscrew and remove your heatsink. Then unscrew and remove your fans. Just like the solid-state drives, the process is the same for both. Now unscrew and remove the input-output circuit board. Then unscrew and remove the display cable bracket, and then disconnect the display and web camera cables. Now remove the LCD display screws, and then remove the LCD assembly. Disconnect the motherboard cables, using a plastic scribe to unclip them where needed. I typically reference the Dell owner's manual when performing these repairs, but there's no one way to do it, and if you have a better way or a way that worked for you, let me know down in the comments below. Finally, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now you can use your fingers or the plastic scribe to lift out the speakers. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... Now the reassembly is as easy as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.